Nora, thank you. Salem police have launched a new program encouraging people to register their personal or business security cameras to help fight crime. Investigators say during a case, they can look on a map and ask the people in that location for video recordings. The tool is called the Surveillance Camera Registration and Mapping Program, or SCRAM. Police say investigators do not have direct access to a participant's system. Portland police have a similar program. Vancouver also had a program, but suspended it after just a few weeks after receiving backlash from the community. Oregon's legislative session is well underway, and tonight we're taking a closer look at some of the bills involving gun control that could still become law. Today, Oregon lawmakers held a public hearing on House Bill 2013.
And supporters say it is meant to protect domestic violence victims. However, critics say it instead violates constitutional rights. Fox 12's Marja Martinez was there. She joins us live from Salem with a breakdown of this bill. Marja?
Liz, Pete, here's what's at stake. Essentially, it's already illegal in the state of Oregon for someone who's convicted of domestic abuse or stalking to own a gun. This bill, if passed, would actually take that law a little bit further, and it would allow officers in the courts to basically enforce the existing law, giving them the right to issue a warrant and then go in and take the guns if someone is refusing to comply.
If you look at your life and you look at the people you will know someone who's been affected by gun violence.
Hillary Oleg was one of many people who testified in favor of House Bill 2013 today, along with Governor Kate Brown.
And I appreciate the opportunity to be here today to testify in support of House Bill 2013.
If passed, the bill would require anyone who's the subject of certain court orders, as well as those convicted of domestic abuse or stalking, to give up their guns. If they don't, police can get a search warrant to take the weapons away. Supporters of the bill say California, Colorado, and 17 other states already have similar laws.
States with laws that prohibit abusers who are subject to domestic violence restraining orders from possessing firearms and also require them to relinquish the firearms in their possession see a 10% lower rate in total intimate partner homicide.
Even so, there were dozens who spoke against the bill at today's hearing. Keely Hopkins, state director of the NRA, expressed concerns that it violates people's Fifth Amendment rights not to incriminate themselves.
Under House Bill 2013, the individual would have 24 hours under this law to transfer the firearms.
Hopkins says they can also sign an affidavit within 48 hours stating they've given up their weapons. However,
under federal law, a firearm prohibition would take effect immediately.
Meaning that just by transporting their gun to relinquish it, Hopkins claims they'd be committing a crime and could be prosecuted. She calls the bill a catch-22. The next work session for HB 2013 is scheduled for the 8th. If you want to read the whole bill, we'll post it at kptv.com shortly. And this is one of several gun control bills that are being considered during this legislative session. Earlier this morning at 8 o'clock, there was a separate hearing on a bill basically banning untraceable guns. SB 978 would require all 3D printed guns to have a serial number. We're going to continue to follow these different bills as the legislative session continues. Reporting live from Salem, Marja Martinez, Fox 12 Oregon.